I'm going to show you what's in my opinion the easiest way to install back the tire on the rim of a Xiaomi M365. With this trick, you won't have to use any kind of pre-workout or supplements. You're going to need a couple of tools though. 2 small or medium-sized pliers, or the water pump pliers, and 2 zip ties. I'm also going to be using a bench vise just to help me hold the tire while I'm working, but it's not necessary at all. The key here is pressing the tire lips together and forcing them to stay inside the middle section of the rim. When we proceed that way, we are gaining around 1 cm or more in the opposite way of the tire, and we won't have to stretch it that hard to make it go in afterwards. The pliers will act like the fingers of Conan the Barbarian. Then, with the help of the zip ties, they are gonna keep the pressure. That way we will have both hands free, and we will make sure that the lips stay right in the middle section of the rim. I found that a good spot to place the pliers is at the end of 2 adjacent spokes. The final step is going to be forcing the opposite side of the tire inside the rim using our hands, or a spoon, or a flat screwdriver. Once we're done, we just have to release or cut the zip ties so we can take back the pliers, and that's all. It's also a good idea to make sure that the tube has not moved and it's in the correct position. We can inflate the tire now, install it back, and go right again.